Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another shopping haul video and this time it's a Meesho jewelry haul. मैंने recently Meesho से 9 to 10 dainty jewelry pieces purchase किए हैं. तो आज की इस वीडियो में आपको काफी affordable jewelry pieces देखने को मिलेंगे. Now without wasting any time, let's quickly start with trendy, aesthetic and totally Pinterest inspired Meesho jewelry haul video. First up, we have this box. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. So guys, inside this box, we have this anti-tarnish bracelet. And the best part about this bracelet is that it's free size. So you can adjust it to free your wrist perfectly. Also, a bracelet like this literally goes with everything. It looks amazing with ethnic wear, dresses, and crop tops. It's also perfect if you're heading on a vacation and want something affordable yet stylish. It will match almost everything you pack for a beachy trip. I got this bracelet for just rupees 221. Let's unbox this second product now, and inside this we have gold plated stainless steel bracelet. Bracelets like this are super trendy right now and you will see almost every girl wearing something similar. I really love the shape. It's elegant, chic, and the gold plating gives it such a classy vibe. The bracelet comes in different sizes, so you can pick one that fits your wrist perfectly. It also has these tiny engraved diamonds which make it look even more stunning. This piece goes with almost all your western outfits, whether it's a dinner date, a night out, or just dressing up your casual look. And the best part, I got it just for 186 rupees, plus it's anti-tarnish, so it will stay shiny and beautiful for a long time. Next up, we have this gorgeous gold-plated neck piece that is truly a statement accessory. It's beautifully designed with vibrant multicolored beads which instantly add a pop of color and fun to any outfit. Whether you are pairing it with a casual top, a chic dress, or even a semi-formal outfit, this neck piece has the power to elevate your entire look. What I love most is how versatile it is. It can completely transform the vibe of what you're wearing, making even a simple outfit look effortlessly stylish. And the best part, this stunning piece is available for just 196 rupees, making it a total steal. Now let's see what's inside this parcel. So we have the cutest gold plated pendant with two adorable cherries on it. Isn't it just super cute? Let me show it to you guys closely so that you can see the tiny details that are just too charming to ignore. This little neck piece is perfect for adding a fun, playful touch to any outfit, whether it's a dress or a casual top. It instantly makes your look sweeter and more stylish. And guess what? I got this charming piece for rupees 122 only. Next up, we have this classy piece. It's a beautiful pendant with a striking green emerald right at the center. Just look at that pop of the color. Let me show it to you guys closely so that you can see how elegant and eye-catching it is. What makes this even better is that it claims to be anti-tarnish and waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it losing its shine anytime soon. Also, I love how versatile this neck piece is. You can literally pair it with your casual dresses to instantly elevate the look, or even style it with your formal outfits to add a sophisticated touch. It's trendy, it's timeless, and honestly, it looks way more expensive than it actually is. Can you believe I got this stunning piece for just rupees 151? Then we have this gorgeous rose flower pendant, and let me tell you, this style is so in trend right now. The design looks super classy and honestly feels quite premium for the price. Let me give you a closer look. Isn't it so delicate and pretty? Also, I love how versatile it is. You can pair this neck piece with so many different outfits, whether it's a casual top, a cute dress, or even something a bit more dressy. And I got this beauty for rupees 172 only. Okay, you guys, this one is officially the last piece in the necklace category. I promise you this. And it's such a cutie to end with. Look at this beautiful avocado shaped necklace. How adorable is that? It has these tiny white detailing that make it look not just cute but also super elegant. Let's take a closer look at it so you can really see the details. See how pretty it looks. I love that it's simple, lightweight, and perfect for everyday wear. You can throw it on with literally anything, your casual tops, cute dresses, or even a basic tee. I grabbed this little beauty for just rupees 170. And lastly, we have this adorable set of two earrings to wrap things up. The first one is this super cute bow shaped earring. Just look at it. It's so pretty and cute. The bow detail is so delicate and charming. It is one of those pieces you can literally style with most of your Western outfits, whether you are dressing up a casual look or adding a playful touch to something more dressy. Now for the second one, this might be even cuter. It's a tiny bow with a little heart dangling at the bottom. I mean, how pretty is that combo? Again, super versatile and perfect to mix and match with so many outfits when you want that sweet, playful vibe. Also, guys, you won't believe me, but I got this entire set of two earrings for rupees 157 only. That's all for अफोर्डेबल ज्वेलरी हॉल वीडियो. आई होप आपको ये ट्राई ऑन हॉल वीडियो पसंद आई हो और हेल्पफुल भी लगी हो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है देन डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल प्रियंका नेगी. बेल आइकन को भी हिट कर दीजिएगा सो दैट जब भी मैं इस चैनल पर कोई भी वीडियो डालूं आपके पास उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. यू ऑल कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. ये है मेरे इंस्टाग्राम का अकाउंट. नाउ आई विल सी यू गाइज इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो सुपर सून. टिल देन, बाय बाय एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव.